Top time here at Unique, especially in classics, and this one's a beauty. 1962 Ford Galaxie 500 XL convertible, and yes, this is a real deal 500 XL. 76B body code on the door tag, as well as the 69 model series in the VIN. So this is truly a 500 XL convertible. $390 underneath the hood. I'll let you take a good look at the chrome headlight surrounds, front grille here. So as you can see, all of that is in nice shape. Again, $390 underneath the hood. It is a 4-barrel setup, 300 horsepower, also nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC. Although the AC I have not had kick on or blow cold, but it seems all the components are there. May need a little bit of TLC. Check out the still pictures so you can see that engine bay. Check out the undersides, the interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. As you can see, you can have the chrome steelies with moon wheel covers. Now, if you look at the still pictures, you're going to see in the trunk there's also a set of rims and wheel covers, as well as a box with the original radio in it. You're going to see it does have a retro sound style radio in it that is working. And there's also seat belts. If you wanted to install those, you have the hooks on the floor there that you see on both sides. So there are seat belts also in the trunk. Check out the still pictures. You're going to see those. Also, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the fender skirts. Convertible top is power, and it is white vinyl, also in nice shape. At the end of this video, I'll put it up, and then we'll take a look at the condition of it. FYI, or you can see it in the still pictures from every angle. Over 100 pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, just click on the link down below the video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Somebody must have unsnapped these a bit ago, but these do snap, and it fits fine. I'm guessing somebody was looking at the cover before I started doing the video, so those will snap on there just fine. Finish snapping the rest of those. There you go. Get an idea how nicely that parade boot or convertible top cover fits. Now, paint code on this car, M for Corinthian white. Also, the interior would have originally been 85, which is red pleated vinyl. It has been recovered, so it's a little bit different style now, but still very similar to the way it would have been when it was new. And as you can see, it's in like new condition. Center console, that 390 paired up with the Cruise-O-Matic automatic transmission. Take a look at the door panels. There'll also be a picture of the VIN and the door tag or data tag in the still pictures. So if you want to decode that and look at what I was talking about yourself, you're more than welcome to. Very stock looking interior with the exception of that retro sound style radio. And again, I have had the radio working, wipers working, blower fan working, but not on the AC unit. See how easily that starts. It was a cold start, so I won't expect that temp gauge to be up. Of course, air here for your vents. Power top switch right here. It's a push and pull. And you can see that radio is working.
Lookout Drive, North Mankato.
All right. What a great looking dash, great looking interior. This car is as stunning in person as it is in the pictures and videos. You can see how nicely that door closes and fits. Slip around to the back, dual exhaust. Nothing crazy or over the top. Just a nice sounding classic vehicle. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front. Let's pop this hood a second. Might be able to get this one one-handed here in a second. See if I can do it. Look at this. Very original looking engine bay. Again, 390 V8, and that is the size power plant this would have originally been produced with, going by the data tag. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC. Have not had the compressor kick on the AC, FYI. What a great, just stock looking engine bay. All right, I'm going to close this up. I'll get that top up, and we'll do a quick little video at the end here showing you the condition of the top. And here we go with the top up, so you get a good look at this. Like I said, white vinyl, power top. Power top functions as it should. Nice tight fit above the windshield. Nice tight fit all the way around. There's a couple spots where they've kind of reinforced on each side right here, where they put a little heavier piece of vinyl over the top of it. And you'll see that it's symmetrical on the other side too. So if there's a little spot where they're known to wear. Going up and down, as you can see, the rear window is clear. It's plastic rear window, so it will fold nice and clear. And then here's another spot I was talking about on this side. So kind of reinforced. Shouldn't have any future problems there at all. You need it to keep you dry or out of the sun. It's going to serve its purpose just fine. What a beauty. 1962 Ford Galaxie 500 XL, the real deal. Give us a call. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1962 Ford Galaxie 500 XL convertible. I'm going for a little drive.
In today's current market.
Radio works. It's a retro sound style radio. Turn signal indicators are functional. Wipers are functional. Fuel gauge is just under full. Appears to be functional. I see a little wobbling to the speedometer, but it does appear to read accurately. The needle just bounces a little. Maybe a slight pull to the right at cruising speeds. Brakes straight, brakes well. Temperature is low on the gauge, but warming up. Here, kick down. We're doing about 60. Speedometer is actually reading a little low. vibrations that I can feel. Handles good. No noises, not even a lot of wind noise really for being a convertible. It's in good condition.